Good morning, students. Students, in our previous class, we have a discussion on the advantages of accounting. Okay. Due to shortage of time, we only discuss the advantages. So the limitation of accounting is left over. So today we will discuss about the limitation of accounting. So today's our topic is limitation of accounting. So in many fields, accounting provide number of type of information to the users, but in spite of its advantages there are number of limitations. Okay, so to understand it, so start with the first limitation is influenced by personal judgment. Write it down. Influenced by personal judgment. Okay, so how accounting influenced by personal judgment? Because whether in accounts there is a systematic procedure to follow the accounting. Okay, but in some situation in which the accountants must use their own experience, their own judgment to do accounting. Okay, so whether there are number of principles, number of rules to do accounting, but in some time the situation is arise that the accountant must use their own experience, their own knowledge, judgment. So due to these different personal opinions, the profit of the future cannot be treated or a uniform or a true. So this is the limitation, that accounting is influenced by the personal judgment. So the next limitation is based on accounting concepts and conventions. Based on accounting concepts and conventions. So in this, accounting concepts and conventions are made when the accounting procedure is started. Okay, so it is a long time. Okay, so there is a no changes are done according to the time. Okay, so these conventions, these principles are in old nature or traditional nature. Okay, nowadays there is a lot of changes. Okay, in all the type of business, in all transactions. Okay, so generally accounts are prepared on the basis of number of accounting concepts and conventions and principles. While following these assumptions, it may be happen that the profitability, that is the profit which is actually earned by the business, is not shown, is not disclosed. Okay, so if the accounting is based on concepts and conventions, the actual profitabilities cannot be ascertained. Clear? Next is incomplete information. Accounting provide incomplete information because it is said that accounting statement give the incomplete information about the business. Okay, so in accounting, the all the assets of the business are recorded on the value on which they are purchased. Okay, on the cost value. Okay, because at the time past, the also the prices of these assets are also changed, also raised or increased or decreased. So this changes does not included in the accounting. Okay, these changes are not included in the balance sheet or not included in the other financial statements. Okay, so this is the reason that there is a incomplete information. The complete information when get by the businessman, when he actually sold the business, on that time he actually recognized that what is the cost of the assets that he has owned. Clear? Next is omission of qualitative information. As I said in the earlier, that only monetary transactions are recorded, only those transactions are recorded which can be measured in terms of money. So the info which is qualitative in nature cannot be recorded. Okay, so take an example like when a dedicated employee leave the job, it is the loss incurred by the company, but this loss cannot be measured in terms of money, and this loss cannot be disclosed in the financial statements. So only those transactions are recorded which can measure in terms of money. The transactions which are qualitative, not set transactions, the losses which are qualitative in nature, these are not recorded in the financial statements. Okay, so this is the one of the big limitation of accounting. The next is, accounting statements are not fully accurate. Accurate means these statement does not show the actual information. There are some values, judgment, there are some personal biasness, it's there. Okay, so although most of the business transactions are recorded on the basis of actual document means the bills of transactions. Okay, as I said, the transactions are recorded when there is a proof of the transaction, that is the bills are there, the vouchers are there. But sometimes, even though these documents, there must be statements are there are personal judgment also included in that. Okay, so these financial statement does not show the information in an accurate way. Okay, because there is also some personal judgment also. So this is it. So while calculating the profit or loss, the profit figure cannot be treated as an accurate and reliable because there is a personal judgment also. Next is affected by window dressing. So first you have to understand that what is window dressing. Window dressing means manipulating the accounts intentionally, not by mistake. This is done by intentionally so that financial statements may show more favorable results to the businessman. Okay, more favorable results means when they are showing the profit, they are showing less profit as compared to the actual. Okay, so why they done this? Because so that they can pay less to the other persons, so that they can distribute less amount of profit, and the remaining they can own their self. Okay, so window dressing means manipulating the accounts. They can use different methods to manipulate the account. They use different texts. They can write the amount of 598 as 589. Okay, so this is the way that they can manipulate the accounts. This process is called window dressing. So window dressing is easily performed while doing accounting. So this is the biggest limitation of accounting. The next is unstable for forecasting. As I said that the financial statement depict only the records of past. Okay, so this past information cannot be fertile for forecasting the future. What do you mean by forecasting? Forecasting means predict the future, that what should be happened in the future. Okay, so financial records are recording transactions which are happened already. So this information is related to past. So the information is past is not used for forecasting the future. Okay, in some point it can be used, but the results are not accurate. Okay, clear?